Come on.
Yep, everybody's tired,
Huh?
you know. People, what's up, y'all? I'm back. Here we go. Here go the kids right here.
Hey,
Good.
Journey, you ready to lay down?
All right. I'm not gonna put you on camera then. And look at the crybaby.
Janai can make her eyes disappear.
I know, but it was caught on camera, but I don't want to. All right. Okay. And Journey, just the crybaby, y'all, that was crying on the last segment. Look at.
You are loud.
Yes, I'm on live.
You won't be loud.
Well, too late. You already. I should have never showed her disappearing like that. It's kind of scary. So we done reached a historic moment. Never ever had a scary thing happen on my show before. This is a historic moment. So
Let me
just
let them see.
Domino,
yeah.
what's that over there?
Look at that.
Okay. I don't see nothing. All right. Oh snap. Well, the most scariest things that I could ever see was
Look over there.
no. You look over there.
No, bro, I see them go.
I see something go in your eyes.
Domino, you ever caught a roach on camera before?
Not that I
have
know
a
of.
video of me and Mr. Troy's daughter and me catching the roach where we killed
Not that I know of.
Oh Lord.
We killed them.
I got raid, you know. Oh, I'm so glad my camera ain't facing that. All right.
Domino's your phone?
What? Where?
That crack phone.
Oh no, that ain't my phone. I don't know what that phone for. So. All right. All right,
What the shirt you had on?
Oh, it's in there.
Go get
Is
it.
the shirt or did you have on in here? Go get the damn shirt.
All right, so anyway, y'all. I'm.
My toes are ugly. They're melting. Look at your Stop.
No. So she was puking. She was puking one day.
Put me on camera.
I will in a minute.
Jaden.
But she was puking one day.
Jaden.
You hear me? Yeah, she was throwing up.
He up here?
Okay.
I'm just looking for lotion.
She was throwing. Be careful, you almost hit your. All right. She almost hit herself on this thing. Oh my God. Caught the crybaby. Oh my God. Not you, Ava. I'm talking to this one right here. Oh, what you said?
She said she crying.
But don't you worry. I'm a crybaby myself. I cries too.
Oh,
Yes, I do.
and you just said that on live.
I know what I said on live. Y'all know what I said, y'all.
What is these two babies doing?
I don't know. I hope they're not doing nothing. Well, we're not gonna put the camera on that. So anyway, y'all. I mean, being around family is a blessing, you know, and I'm very happy about that. But as far as my girl Erica or anybody else, you know, so with that said and done, I don't know what that said and done. So what? Let me see. Okay. All right. So I don't know what he crying for. He just.
Because he's changing his clothes. Washing clothes.
Oh yeah. So. Oh okay.
Pirate got it hooked.
I don't know what you meant by that though.
Alright, tell him he can't keep changing his clothes.
Yeah, that's true.
We are not at home. I can't keep washing clothes.
Oh, that's a waste of water, right?
It is.
Yeah, because I be telling Thaddeus I'm I'm not gonna waste his water like that. That's why I don't take long showers.
Exactly.
I rather my own water bill go up because of me.
Right. You're not at home.
Yeah.
Jaden, make sure that lotion
So-
make it back downstairs.
So,
All right, y'all. The pool up.
the pool up.
You don't have nothing that she can slip on for Ava?
What you mean slip on face?
Like to swim.
You mean for Journey to slip on?
Yeah.
No, I don't even have a big space.
You don't need a big
Oh, like a tight
anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that was Jade. She don't want to be on the show, so I'm not gonna put on the. Oh, hi, Ava.
Jay,
Hello, Ava. There you go.
come here. Tell him I said come here.
Jace.
All right.
Say I love you,
So,
mommy.
Jay.
Say I love you.
Get your suitcase.
Jace Michael.
All right. So,
The reason why
oh, that's all I gotta say. I might be back soon. Y'all roll at the film or whatever. Go back to the film on SpongeBob or Fairline Parents.
You just let me fuss at you.
Shantae, see the Shantae gonna be.
Oh, this is the boy that was crying just now.
If it's not because he have a habit of just taking his shirt off, but I didn't know he was getting in the pool.
So all right then.
You have to say that, okay? Come here.
All right.
Journey. See the Shantae is about to go and see.
You want to give me
All right.
Two
So
tights and shirts.
all right. That's it for now. So y'all,
Coming right back, okay?
I'll be back. I
Okay.
guess. I don't know. All right.